We trapping every day, is what it's name, my boy. We tapping the place safe when the waves are all.
My boy, ni spend imali yabazali ke wena sro.
My boy,
Ayu hustle every day, sifuna la manyor.
my boy. NK flows, NK flows, NK flows, Zoom, NK flows, NK flows, NK flows, NK flows, NK flows, ink flows. We killing the bars, we close and ngimele basazi imi inkosi mawunyanya uphalaza. I'm so big bro, sala phansi intwanazi lalela abadala becela uthatha ama chance usala la phansi sabela amakhala amakhwela uphansi abafana ukhala ngaphansi i-combination yonyaka ufuna ukudlala okulungile nansi ukade ungachayisi samncinci kodwa ungabhayizi namangazi indaba Ey, mawuzela ngokuchama utshela ukuthi uhot welele sama nengane zaxwaya sakubuka nje welele sama ngena amabhuda abantu abadala umntwana kaphinda ngene sina masigudla wena uzosala with your flows umfolo ngakugcwele igama nguphelepela kaphakamisa kogcwele ngimoja nezinto zami ezivaya busebelele emqondweni ngikelekele ngiloke ngibelesele bazonaba basa ngibakhaba ngezihlekelele. I'm back in this business, Zulu Vibe is the man for this Christmas. I'm moving with the nemesis. These boys got style, ingobo za Christmas. Awusuka wena kish ngikhule khangekho ngishindish bathi boy ukuhlaza ungafunga ngo-8. We trapping every day, izwa lesine my boy. We tapping the place safe when the waves are all.
My boy, ni spend imali yabazali ke wena sro.
My boy,
Ayu hustle every day, sifuna la manyor.
my boy, NK flows, 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 NK flows. We trapping every day is